Hi, my name is Melissa and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be shopping at Goodwill, and this is actually going to be a part 2 of 3 different thrifting, antiquing, garage sailing videos. The first one, antique shop, and this one is Goodwill, and then the next one is going to be small town thrift shops and garage sales. So you guys can kind of compare the different prices if you want. I think that's kind of fun to see what different prices you can get at different places. Goodwill is definitely more pricey than the small town thrift shops. Anytime that I'm heading out to a thrift shop, I'm always looking for antique and vintage items. I'm obsessed with the 70's. Also, I love the Victorian era. Our house was built in 1900 and it has lots of cool vibes and character. I just love it so much. I'm always looking for things that I can decorate with. I like to try on clothes, which you can't do anymore at our Goodwills. I don't know if that's all Goodwills, but I definitely found some clothing as well. I know some people that are on my channel really like my try-on videos, so if you guys want to see what I picked up for clothes, I will share that part at the end. Alright, let's just get on with the video. Alright, I'm starting right in with amber glass, my favorite, and then these beautiful bowls with little legs are so cool. I really especially loved the blue and green one. It would look so good with my other green dishes, and I also want to start a collection of blue ones soon. Sadly, both of these were really scratched up, so I didn't end up getting them, but I really loved these mid-century looking bowls. I believe that they are. They're so beautiful. I'm assuming that these ones are worth a little more because they're definitely priced higher, and I've never seen this style at Goodwill before. Again, I found more of this beautiful blue dishware, and I wanted to get these so bad. I'm kind of bummed that I didn't get them, but do you see how many scratches are on these ones? I also find that little things like this are so cute with corks in them. What do you guys think of this beautiful plate? It is amber glass, I believe, but it's a very light shade. And look at how beautiful these are. Do you guys love clear glass items, or do you have a favorite colored glass? If you do, comment below. I feel like I really hit the jackpot with different kinds of diamond glass here today. I found so many beautiful things, and I wish I would have got more for my collection, but I had to stop at some point because I saw pieces like this and I just freaked out internally because this is my favorite type of decoration. I love the sparkly crystals and the gold. I guess this is called Hollywood Glam, which I didn't know that before, but that's totally my style. I have a whole bunch of stuff like this in my house. I'm so sad that I didn't pick these up, you guys. I just got the most beautiful blue goblets from my grandma. I can't wait to show you guys those in a future video. And look at these! You guys recognize these from any other videos? Also, these are so adorable. They're just so tiny and sparkly, and I love them. This little trivet or wall hanging, whatever it may be, I just fell in love with it. I think it's so beautiful, and it's got like wildflowers and nature and rustic wood, and then it also matched these adorable little flower pots as well. And you guys, once again, screaming internally, I cannot believe that I found these, and they were so affordable, and they go with something else that you guys have probably already seen in my last antique video, so make sure you check that one out. Once again, look at this, you guys! I'm like, oh my gosh, freaking out. I'm so happy. I can't believe that I found this, all these amazing things in one day. This was like my jackpot day. I was so happy after I left this store. I always love to check out the linen section and see if I can find any beautiful handmade or vintage items over here. I thought this one was pretty cute until I saw this, and the color of this video is not doing this justice, but is the most beautiful light yellow flower color ever. I'm still waiting to find my patchwork vintage score in a thrift shop someday. I want it to be all brown olive green, orange, and hippie colors with flower pattern. And someday, I'm manifesting it now, I'm gonna find one. I promise you. But I just thought these were so cute and so cottagecore with their little, I don't know, what is that, the brass knobs and handles. The one on the bottom, I think I showed you guys in the last Goodwill video, it's still there. And these cute little pots as well are so good for cottagecore decorations. If you have a country kitchen, I think it'd be adorable. I am back from Goodwill and I found some really amazing things. You guys, I'm so excited. Today was the same day that I went to the antique shop, so I found things that like went together that were from two different shops. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go check that one out first. And I will share everything together, all the things that match, so you can see what I'm talking about here in this video as well. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited to share this stuff with you guys. And first of all, we'll just start with something small. And I got this. I think this is so beautiful. It's very like cottagecore. I don't know if this is like a trivet. It also has a hook, so I feel like I would probably hang this on a wall. I'm not sure, but that's what I see when I look at this. I also love to collect lots of wood items like this. And I got these little plant pots, and honestly they look so cute together with this. Not that they're like going together or anything, but I just love them together, so I had to share that with you guys. These aren't new items, or they're not used items. I think they're the new items that you get at Goodwill. Last year I did a 4th of July front yard decoration, and I shared that video if you want to see that one. But this year I'm going to do like yellows and greens and kind of like cottage vibes, and I don't know, I'm just really excited about that. So I was really happy that I found this color, because I feel like I didn't see a lot of this green color, and I want to put yellow flowers in here, so I'll be sharing that with you guys as well. I'm also making a garden video, so you can see like what I've been up to in the yard. And then I found this beautiful amber glass bowl. It is so pretty, and I'm adding this to my collection. I have a huge collection of amber glass, if you guys are new here, and I just love it. So this is going to go so good on some of my future tablescapes. Alright, this is the exciting thing. The next three things are my most favorite finds that I found today, and they go really well with my antique haul stuff from the last video, so here they are. Look at how beautiful these are. They are absolutely stunning. I think they're gonna look so good on tablescapes or fireplace mantles for Christmas time, but honestly just any time, because I have lots of green in my house, and I would totally decorate with these for springtime and summertime as well. So cheap, you guys, $2.99. I just love them so much. I cannot wait to decorate with these and the things that they match with that I found at the antique shop. So make sure that you check that video as well. The next things kind of go together. Look at this. Oh my goodness, you guys. There was so many beautiful glass pieces this time at Goodwill. I love anything that has feet or is on little stands and pedestals and has anything gilded or ornate like this. I'm just a sucker for it. I love it so much, and I just found this to be so beautiful. And this is, you know, clear, so it will match with any theme of decor that I want to go with. And I also just like look at this and I want to do a sparkly tablescape. You imagine everything sparkly, New Year's Eve, the Great Gatsby theme or something. Like, oh my gosh, I think that would be so cool. And the last beautiful decor piece is this. It also matches, but this one has the little diamonds, as they call them. But it's absolutely gorgeous. I say that about everything, obviously. And one of my favorite parts about this is this beautiful, like, ornate centerpiece that like screws it all together. It is missing gems, but those are easy to find, so I don't even care. Oh my gosh, you guys, is this not like the most stunning thing ever? I just absolutely love it. I'm so happy that I found all these, and it was like every time I turned a corner there was like another thing like this, and I was just like, I can't believe it. Like, how lucky am I to find like what my favorite things, like, over and over, all in one day. So anyways, yes, I love it. All right, the next section of this video is going to be my clothing haul finds. So I just got this very simple hoodie. I've been having a theme lately, if you can't tell. It's summer and spring and I just want to wear all of the happy colors. And this is a large. It's like not my normal size, but I wanted it to be oversized. It's by Zanana Outfitters. I have never heard of this brand before. Sorry about the motorcycles. Then I got this kind of boring find. I found one of these in one of my last try-on videos as well. I thought that these ones were going to be the American Eagle midi shorts, which are my favorite shorts of all time. But I believe, I don't know, someone might have made these ones. They do look like they were factory cut kind of too, so I'm not really sure, but they look really nice. They look like they're in great condition. They've got the roll, which I think is super flattering, whether it was homemade by someone or not. If somebody did homemade these, they did a really good job because they look like they've been like ironed perfectly, like to be the roll. So I'm not sure, but I love them and they're in my size and way less than you would buy them on the American Eagle website. And then I got these gorgeous shorts. Like seriously, look at them. I've never heard of this brand either. It does have a pocket on the back. If you guys want to try to like find these for yourself on Poshmark or something, this is the brand MPG. And they're in a size small. And they have this nice flat front, which I feel is so flattering, and I love this color. They've also got the hem at the bottom, which is like perfect, and then the bungee back, which I love for like the perfect fit. And I've never seen ones with the little pleat in the front before, and I was afraid I wouldn't like that, but I love them actually. And it still had the original tag on them. I must have ripped it off now, but I was like, oh my gosh, these I never even wore before. So I was really excited about it. These ones, so they are just an Adidas short, but look at the nice length on these legs. Like I feel like you don't see that very often. These ones definitely look a little bit more beat up, but I'm probably just going to use these for like gardening. I like to wear moisture wicking clothes like all summer when I'm watering the plants and working outside and pulling weeds and stuff. And this is so nice that they're a little bit longer like this because yeah, when you bend over you don't feel like your booty cheeks are hanging out. And also they have this kind of smaller leg hole, which I feel like is very hard to find. I have chicken legs so I really like to find shorts that have a smaller leg hole opening that aren't a huge slit or anything like that. I just feel like they're way more flattering on my body type, and I really liked how these ones fit me. More athletic shorts. I know, you guys, I hope that you're not running away if you don't like athletic shorts. I did find one other thing I forgot to share with you guys that isn't a clothing haul item. But anyways, these shorts, okay, they had a whole end cap of athletic wear. It was shorts and sports bras, and they were a whole bunch of the same colors over and over and over. It was like, I know sometimes Target will send their stuff to Goodwill, and I don't know if it was something like that or if this is like a brand that Goodwill sells, I'm not sure. But they have like the built-in undies, they're brand new, and I just think they're the cutest colors. They also had light blue ones and they fit really nice, and they also had this little side pocket over here on one side. But look at this beautiful color. I don't have anything like that, and this lighter color being like by your skin just makes your tan pop in the summer. And then so these ones are the same and they're just purple. I didn't get the blue because I have so many blue athletic shorts already but I wear these things all summer and they get sweaty like and I have to wash them in one wear, so it's nice to have a whole bunch of them and they're just so comfortable. I mean like moisture wicking clothes in general, not these shorts, but yeah, look at the color of these pretty purple ones. I got both of these in a size small, and this is the brand APANA. And then the best part about these purple ones is the matching bra. Look at these cute colors together. Oh my gosh. So they had other bras to match the other colors of shorts as well, but they were pretty picked over and there wasn't any in my size. So this is what the bra looks like. These were $10.99, which is kind of pricey. I mean, it's kind of normal almost for a Goodwill price these days, but they're brand new with the tags on them. I feel like it's still a cheaper price than like going to Target. Walmart though, you guys, if you haven't checked out Walmart's athletic wear, like you're missing out. This is what the shape looks like. It has this really nice thick stretchy band at the bottom. This is the back. So it doesn't have the strappy back, which is my favorite, but I just think the color was so beautiful, and I'm going to throw a tank over it to go with the shorts. I'll turn it inside out for you guys as well if that helps. I always like to see the inside. So it's got these little booby cups, but if you look, they're sewn in so they don't slide all around inside. So I haven't worn this yet, so I can't tell you like how it works, but I think that's going to be really nice because I feel like a lot of times these bras like push everything together and give you extreme cleavage, and this might help kind of hold everything in place better. So I'm excited to try these on. And the last item I got at Goodwill is this beautiful, I don't even know what you call these. It is like the skinny little decorative throw blanket that you put at the end of your bed. But it's such a cute, happy light shade of yellow for spring and summer. And it has this gorgeous little like daisy print on it. I find it to be absolutely precious. So I can't wait to decorate my bedroom with this. And you guys, I have like really amazing new lights and stuff that I got on Temu that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, a Temu haul and a Shein haul. I keep promising it. It's coming, I promise. I'm so busy with the kids home this summer, but it is coming. So I have so many good things to show you. Bedroom lights and solar lights and clothes and just like really cool decorative items for the house and stuff for kids, and yeah, it's coming. Alright guys, well that will be it for today's Goodwill haul. What did you guys think? Did you like what I found? Was there anything that you would have picked up that I didn't pick up? What would you guys like to see from me in the future? Do you have any fun ideas for me? Also, make sure that you stay tuned. Like I said, don't forget I'm doing my little small town thrift with me and garage sale with me haul after this one. There might be like the Temu or the Shein in between, but those are my next three videos coming up. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys, and I have lots more stuff coming in the future. Check out my channel if you haven't already, and I hope that you subscribe and hang out here. It's so much fun, and I can't wait to share more summer fun with you guys soon. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye.